Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So this may be a little bit of a confession, but there was a decluttering and organizing project in my home that was hanging over my head for months. And it was something I wanted to do, but I kept putting it off because it was too overwhelming. And frankly, I hated to waste the time inside when I'd rather be doing something more fun outside. Then one day, it occurred to me that I really didn't have to do it all at one time. If I broke it down into small chunks of time, and if I consistently worked on it for 5, 10, 15 minutes each day, it would eventually get done. I knew it would feel great to get it done rather than having it sit on my to-do someday list. And I must admit, at first, it didn't seem like I was making much progress, anything significant anyway. But after a week of small, consistent actions of 10 to 15 minutes at a time, I began to see some really good results. And that motivated me to keep going. It took almost a month to complete my project that I'd been putting off, and now it's done. So the funny thing is, I thought I was trying a new decluttering technique on myself that I could then share with you. But in fact, I'd already been using the power of micro habits in other areas of my life all along. So if you want to read more about using the power of micro habits to maximize the results, I'm introducing a new decluttering series called Got 5. So look for it in upcoming videos and blogs.